Hank, an older gentleman, has always had the same goal. He's always wanted to make 6 figures in 1 year at his job, and it's been 10 years and he's always come up short. And so this year he set his sights higher. Instead of a $100,000 goal, he said, I'm gonna shoot for $1 million, and I'm gonna change what it looks like to try, instead of getting to 100,000, I'm gonna have to try different things to get to $1 million. And nothing else has changed. His mindset, his attitude has affected his behaviors to try to get to 7 figures instead of 6. And this year he's gonna land over $180,000 in his commission income. And now that's double his record. It's time for you to raise the bar and learn from Hank's success. Now share this with someone who you think can continue to raise the bar and achieve beyond their wildest dreams next year in 2023.